Hi guys, so wise app tutorial 26 for walkthrough so you don't lose a single cent. So guys, on today's video, whether you're sending money overseas, getting paid when international class, or preparing your next trip, setting up your wise account correctly is best choice for you guys. So here, all you need to do is create your account and verify your identity. Once you create your account and verify identity, it'll be less hassle when you're gonna receive money or gonna send money. So, convert currencies. So if you hold multiple currencies, you can convert whenever you want, as you can see right here. We have a lot of currencies right here. We have three. So there. And if you want to send money, just click on send right here. We have the send right there. Add money right here. Request right here. Request money, and you can scan right here. And if you want, you can also tell people to follow you and use your link. If you want, you can use our link on the comment section down below. It will help the channel a lot. But anyways, yeah. And here on the middle, you can get cards right here. You can get a card. You also have a virtual card ready, and you can get a physical card by just clicking on get card right there on the top right. So, and the recipients, you can see recipients right here or recipients right there. And payments right here, you can see forward invoice to email. You have scheduled transfers right here, direct debit, recurring card payments as well, payments requests, and bill splits right there. So yeah, and your payment tools right there in the bottom. So for the request right here, ask for a request right here. There you go. You request for people that you've in your contact right here. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how you do it. I hope you guys did. If you have a question, dapat ako question below guys. As soon as possible. And thank you guys.